So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change text color here in Canva. So obviously what you have to do first is find some text that you want to change the color of. I think it defaults to black if you just use the regular text here in Canva. So let's just say I'll type in the word text. I will make it a lot larger just to demonstrate now. If you want to change the text color, super simple. Go to the top area right here to where it says A and where it says text color. I want you to press on that. Then if you want to change it to a solid color, you can use any of the default colors that are listed right here. If you want to use a custom color or maybe a different shade of a color, go to this image right here where it says add a new color, press on that, and then you can change it. If it's green, you can change it by dragging here. If you want to make it purple or pink, you can change it there. And that is basically how you can change the color of text here on Canva. So I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.